Now, if you want to get really, really inventive, like they say that necessity is the mother of invention, I have these little scuba masks that are like this. And so what I'm going to do with this bad boy right here is I'm going to put a N95 filter in here. And then I'm going to have myself another mask that I can use. And I got to clean it up a little bit because it is a little bit dirty. And bam, you're ready, you're set to go. They do have some of them that have little adapters that you can put on here when you take this part off, and then just put a little adapted thing on there with a filter on it. Or if you wanted to, you could just wrap a frickin' filter around this and tie it off with a rubber band or some ties, and bam, there you go. You got your mask. You could put a KN95 on the end of that, you know, or a surgical one, wrap it around it. Either way, bam, and you made yourself a mask. And then for all you painters out there, of course, this works, but you don't really get what I would call the gateway of the eye covered, which means that you would probably want to have a pair of goggles, you know, just like the goggles that you have at, you know, when you're painting. Here's another one here, and here's another one here. So we've got a number of these, and to protect us. And these you could buy at Home Depot, but I don't know if they're available now because of the COVID crisis. You can see this right here is 3M. And that's a good one right there. And this one's a good one too. Very good. Protect you from all kinds of chemicals and stuff. These are probably about 50 bucks each. These are about 20 bucks online. This is just like the face shield one, but without the face shield. And these are even beefier. These are even better filters, really, actually, than the one that I have on here. Maybe not. Maybe they're... I mean, this is Nosh. You can see right there. These are 3M products, so they're, you know, they're good stuff. The only trouble is now it's really hard to get these filters. But, you know, you got to be ready, man. That's all I can say. Be ready.